Hi everyone, hope you are doing well. In this video, I will show keyboard settings on Motorola Moto G45. Before starting this video, please press the bell icon or do subscribe this channel. Let's start our video without wasting any time.